Hello everyone and welcome to the Extreme TIG channel. So for today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to do root pass with a walk in the cup technique on a 6-inch skate 40 pipe. It's a carbon pipe. The prep is always make it nice and clean, both inside and out. You don't want to have any contamination on the pipe. For the gap I go with a 532. This is for reference. I always use 1/8. I like 532 gap pretty much if I can wiggle that rod. So first I'm gonna put tack, but before that we're gonna do with a little commercial. Hey guys, let me introduce you to TIG sleeve. This is TIG rod storage tube, a special design for TIG welders. Every unit is handcrafted, features an O-ring seal to protect your TIG rods from moisture, dust and any damage. It's a clear anodized aviation grade finish. Includes a durable adjustable strap. That's for comfort and convenience. It's a 360 rotation. You can stretch it out up to 57 inches, so it's gonna fit even 4X guys. It's built to perform, 37 inches in length. So it's gonna fit full-size TIG rods, weighing just 2.6 pounds with a 10-pound rod capacity. Strap it over your back to stay mobile and hands-free while you're climbing, crawling. Comes in 5 different colors, and you can check it out on tigsleeve.com. So this is a root tack. I'm just gonna do 3 tacks. For the root I'm running around 115 amps on my welding machine. I'm just gonna clean it later. This is the little tab I had in place just to keep my gap. Try to maintain a 532 all the way around. It's not really perfect, but the best tool to check for any high-low. I was using a high-low gauge. Usually that's prior to tacking. You should check that, but I already did before. I just to show you here. High-low gauge. It's a pretty handy tool to have. As I said, 115 amps. That's how I'm gonna run on my root. So the stick out is 5 to 10 mil. It all depends what you like. This is 1/8 and 70S6 1/8 TIG filler wire. So basically the idea here is position yourself when you walk the cup. Some people like freehand. I also like freehand. It all depends. Depends from the situation in the field. What's best works for you. But you can use this tack as a support, so your rod is steady. It's not wiggly. The other advantage or benefit walking the cup is pretty much consistent root. You're not too shaky as you lean your cup against the pipe inside the groove, and you just walk the cup. Also, the other thing to consider, the size of the cap, 6 or 8, whatever you like. I always go with 8. It's pretty much habit. As I said, you lean on that tack as a support, so your rod is not wiggly, and there's 2 options. You can walk with the top side of your cap. This is the top side of your cap, just to show you, or the bottom, or regular. As I said, it all depends. You always change your position, you always change your technique. Depends from the situation in a field, how much room you got. That's really rare when you got lots of room. Okay, so for the start, as I said, 115 amps. Try to keep rod inside your root. Inside the pipe, just keep it connected to that puddle, and you just slowly walk in the cup inside the root. As you can see, it's not shaky, it's really steady. You can really lay down really nice nice bead on the root pads. Looks pretty much almost like a hot pass. This is how you got good consistent steps, and this is the outcome. It's pretty much uniform all the way around. Good habit as well, as I always said in my videos, grind stop starts. If you want to. Always when you start, always preheat, wait for that puddle to become liquid, and then you can start adding that filler wire. Just as I said, just most important thing is you gotta position yourself. That's why walking the cup is really good, because it gives you really steady hand, and you got a little bit better control over your puddle, over your coordination with the other hand. And for the tie-in with the tack, just gonna pause a little bit. When I go to the tie-in, I'm gonna step back and then add wire as needed. I'm still feeding from inside, and then before I reach that tack, I'm just gonna pull that rod outside and start adding rod from the outside. This is the closest shot I got, just to show you guys for that tie-in. As I said, I pause here a little bit for that tie-in with the tack. I'm just gonna pause a little bit. Now I'm gonna go 1-2 steps back. And you just add wire as needed, because if you don't add wire, you might just sag back, so it's not gonna be even. It's gonna be a visible spot. Okay, and I'm just gonna continue on the top side. I don't know, did you notice here, I just lost connection a couple times and tried to catch up. It all depends how much heat you can handle, your travel speed, your feeding hand. That's all important factors when you're doing a route. Walking the cup freehand doesn't really matter. We gotta adjust all that, and this is the top tack. Just gonna do tie in here. Same thing, 2 steps back, and then remelt, and I just keep that wire inside. Okay, now I'm gonna do from the bottom. I'm gonna do the other side of the pipe from 6 o'clock up to 9. Same thing, preheat. Once the puddle starts getting liquid, then just connect that filler wire and keep it on the edge of that puddle, and just be consistent. Don't lose your steps. Just keep it connected all the time. As I said, it's really handy if you feather out that tack. You can use it as a support, so your feeding head is going to be steady. It's not going to be wiggly, so you don't have to searching around for your rod while your torch is burning. So you don't want to open that edges even more. As I said, walking the cup advantage gives you that steady hand, both hands actually, and you got better control. And now pretty much we are on a top section. I'm just gonna close it up here. For the top part, you always pull out rod a little bit because you got a gravity, so gravity will do the rest of the work. Your root's gonna be nice and uniform. Same thing for the tie-in. See here, you can see it really good now. So I'm going back one step, two steps, and then redo it. And that's it. That's it for the root pass. This is from the outside. You see it's a little bit different pattern when you walk the cup from a freehand. And this is the close look from the root. As I said, just walking the cup gives you that steady, consistent root when you got the really good control over your paddle, which is most important. And that's it pretty much. Hope you guys like it, enjoy it, subscribe, like, and see you in the next one.